How to fix Instagram Shorts not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the App Store on a device. In the search bar, search for application Instagram and then move into it. Now right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Now tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.